Introducing the 2016 Audi S3. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Safety, style, and comfort meet the latest in customizable technology and Audi performance in the S3. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, backup camera, fog lamps, heated front seat, electronic stability control, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Don't miss the chance to experience the security and performance of the S3. Call us or just stop by for a drive.